In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a iSpindel device within Fermentrack. So first thing you need to do is go to your Fermentrack page and then choose Select Device to Control and then choose Add Gravity Sensor. And the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to set it up within Fermentrack itself. So I'm going to choose iSpindel down here. I'm going to provide it with a name that I'm going to use actually within Fermentrack. So I'm going to go ahead and call this Spindly. And then my temperature format, we'll leave it set to Fahrenheit, and then you're going to choose a name on device. Once you've chosen this name, keep it in mind, you're going to need it for the next step. I'm going to go and choose just iSpindel123, and then I'm going to click Create Sensor right here. This will then take me to the next page that gives me instructions on how to finish configuring my iSpindel. So the very first thing that I'm going to need to do is put the iSpindel into configuration mode. The way you do that is by double tapping the reset button on the actual iSpindel control board itself. And then I'm going to connect to the iSpindel's Wi-Fi network, so connect to it as an access point. I'm going to do that now. So once you've connected to your iSpindel, you're going to click Configuration. Then you'll see that it starts asking for information. So the iSpindel name here is going to be the one that we chose as the name on device on the previous step. So I'm going to choose iSpindel123. I'm going to leave my update interval at 30 seconds. You can change it to whatever works for you. I'm going to leave my battery conversion factor. Again, you can change that. And then for service type, you're going to want to choose HTTP. So you can see that this information is spelled out on the actual Fermentrack page. For the token, again, you're going to want to enter Fermentrack as it specifies. The server address, you're going to want to enter the address that it has. For the server port, so Fermentrack takes a guess and thinks that your port is port 80, but Fermentrack actually doesn't have the ability to determine what the correct port is. So if you've done a custom installation of Fermentrack or have otherwise tweaked the settings in Nginx, then you'll need to change the server port here. And then I'm going to update my server URL to match what it is that Fermentrack has down below. Once you're done with that, click Save, and then the iSpindel will restart itself. Once the iSpindel finishes restarting itself, you'll come back to Fermentrack, just reconnect to your regular Wi-Fi network, and then click the Continue to Fermentrack Sensor Configuration page, and you're pretty much done. The only thing that's left is to set up the tilt to gravity equation. I'm not going to cover that in this video. Instructions are on this page, and if you have any questions, take a look at the Fermentrack documentation. All right, that's it. Good luck.